Students, I am S.K. Tiwari from Sunbeam Convent School, Buxar, and I want to present my explanation on lesson 2 for standard 8 from history. The heading of this lesson is European powers in India. How and when and for what purpose the European powers came to India. Under this chapter, I want to tell you about a topic. The heading of that topic is mercantile. And now the definition of mercantilism. What is the meaning of mercantilism? At first, mercantilism means commercialism. In another word, we may say this, that mercantilism is a political economic system that arose in 17th and 18th century. It brings balance and maintenance among the different countries politically and economically. So, once again, mercantilism brought balance and maintenance among the different countries politically and economically. And now advantage of mercantilism. Mercantilism helps the imperialistic country to increase their colonial powers in different parts of the world. And there is also a disadvantage of this system. It checks the growth of the nationalism of the countries who are not able to make competition with the imperialistic powers. So today I taught you about the mercantilism and its merit